ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 We'll continue this exercise on Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu Pratyaya. The Pratyaya added to, what is it Pratyaya? What does it convey? Tavatu Pratyaya
Past tense.
denotes Bhute. Okay. And what type of Pratyaya is that?
Ardhatarko baladi pratyaya.
Ardhataka Pratyaya and Valadi. Valaditvat?
Angakaryam bhavati.
No.
Itagama.
Angakaryam bhavati va? What is the it letter?
No. Itagama, sorry.
Angakarya is negated.
Provided the dhatu is a set dhatu.
Yeah, that's okay. Provided dhatu is said, that itakama will get. Will Angakarya happen for this dhatu?
No.
For this pratyaya, sorry.
No, it is a kitagama, so it will not happen for this.
It's a kit pratyaya, not agama.
Kit pratyaya.
Takara is it, therefore kit pratyaya, Angakarya is negated. Whatever it is, the pratyaya, whatever may be the pratyaya, whether it is sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam, if it is kit or ngit or git, Angakarya is negated. So here sarvadhatuka, here adadhatuka pratyaya and it is kit, Angakarya is negated. And the content is only tavat, beginning with takara, it is valadi, it is val letter, takara, therefore itakama will come. Itakama comes only for ardhadhatuka pratyaya, not for sarvadhatuka. There is no, it is itakama business for sarvadhatuka pratyaya. So don't confuse with the sarvadhatuka pratyaya. That is why in the derivation of the kriya padam, we don't see any itakama coming there. Whereas in future tense, which we saw, patishyati, itakama came. Why? Because it is sya. Sya is not a gana vikarana. It is a vikarana pratyaya. And sakara is val letter. And therefore, itakama came. Sya is adadhatuka pratyaya and which is a val letter. Therefore, itakama. Based on the condition. Condition is this dhatu has to be said. So these properties you have to remember. Kitvat angakaryam na bhavati. Paladitvat ittakamah bhavati. Yadi dhatuhu set bhavati. Tarhi ittakamah bhavati. Okay. This is Tavatu Pratyaya. And this denotes Karta
कर्तरि प्रयोग
and the Kala is Bhutakali.
भूतकाल
Bhutakalarthe asya pratyayasya prayogaha bhavati. Asya pratyayasya dhatoho yojayitva prayogaha bhavati. So that dhatu ending with this pratyaya is called, what do you get? Addition of this pratyaya to a dhatu. You get a kriya padam.
Pratipadikam.
You get a pratipadikam. It becomes a noun. You see, a noun is derived from a dhatu. A noun is derived from a dhatu. Derivatives. That's why it's called verbal derivatives. Derived from a dhatu. Therefore, it's called verbal derivatives. That verbal derivative means it's a noun. And it is pratipadikam. Declinable. All the linga possible. In Pullinga, it is takaranta. Takarantaha Pullingaha. Not like Marut. Please note, Marut Shabda is simple. You know, the pratyas and shabdas and all last class, in the other class we have seen Marut, Maruto, Maruta, Takaranta Shabda, Chakaranta, Jakaranta, etc. Marut is simple Shabda. If you know Jasha Sandhi, Marut Shabda is known. Marut, Maruto, Marutaha, Marutam, Maruto, Marutaha, right? Whereas this Takaranta, Tavatu, that Takaranta, that Tavatu, Pratyaya, Takaranta Shabda is different. Tavatu, is there, right? Okay, one more tip I'll give. Dhatu is the pratyaya is Tavatu, right? Ending with the what letter? Ending with u. The u is it letter. Now you can see here.
Tavat.
You can see here it is given. Tavatu. You can. Do you see Tavatu?
Yes, sir.
Tavatu pratyayante. You see the screen, right? All of you.
Yes, Guruji.
Yeah. It doesn't say the Tavat. With the it letter, he says Takara is it letter. Then Tavatu. Tu is Takara plus U. Both the Kakara and U is it letter. Kakara is therefore Kit Pratyaya. Angakarya negated. Ukara is also it letter. That U, which is a part of the Pratyahara, Uk Pratyahara. What is Uk Pratyahara? What is Pratyahara? Pratyahara is important. What is Pratyahara?
Grouping of letters.
Group of words.
How do you grouping of letters? How do you
Grouping of-
group it? Based on what?
Maheshwara Sutra.
Mageshwara Sutra. Therefore, what is Uk in Mageshwara Sutra? Uk.
Lu.
Ayuvan Reluk.
Ruluk.
A, I, U. The first sutram U is there. Starting from U up to Reluk. How many letters are there?
Oh.
U, R,
Three.
L. Right?
Three only. Three.
Now, Ukara being a it letter, right? Therefore, it is, we can call it as a Ugit Pratyaya. Okay, we can call it as Ugit Pratyaya. Now, this is a little more information. We'll see that. Please see the screen. Do you see the word file? pratyaya is tavatu pratyaya. Content is tavat. So therefore, it's a kit pratyaya. It's a kit pratyaya as well as ukara is is ita letter, right?
Yes.
Ukara is ita letter. Therefore, we can call this as ugit pratyaya. Based on the ita letter, I am calling this pratyaya as a kit pratyaya as well as ugit pratyaya. You understand what is ugit?
Yeah.
Yes.
U plus U
U as
kit.
the
Hmm?
U as the it letter.
U
Huh?
and kit. Kit.
Where is kit?
Kakara becomes ga.
Kakara becomes ga. What is it? How does the kakara becomes ga?
Okay.
Here it is kakara is ita letter, therefore it is a kit sarvadhatuka, kit ardhatuka pratyaya. That is one thing. And second thing is u also varna. U also happens to be ita letter. Therefore, u being uk. Therefore, you can say it as ugit pratyaya. Therefore, it is ugit pratyaya. You split ugit and understand what it is at. What is ugit?
Uk plus it.
Uk plus it, very good. Ugit is, you do sandhi vicheda. Ug plus it. Ug plus it will become
Just for some reason. Ukit.
ug plus it. We are doing reverse, okay. Sandhi vicheda. Ug plus it is called ugit. Is there any ug in the Mageshwara Sutra?
No.
Is there any Mageshwara Sutra where the it letter is Gakara? Or even Riluk, Evom. Gakara is there or not in Mageshwara Sutra?
No.
But I think better Mageshwara Sutra is chant one. Let us do that. Ayun,
Ayun.
Riluk,
Ruluk.
Eong,
Eom.
I ouch,
I ouch.
Ayavarat,
Ayavarat.
Lan,
Lan.
Nyamangananam,
Nyamangananam.
Jabhai,
Jabhai.
Ghadadhash,
Gadhadash.
Jabagadadash,
Jabagadash.
Kapachathatha Chatatau,
Kapachathathatau.
Kapai,
Kapai.
Shashasar,
Shashasar.
Hal,
Al.
Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani.
Iti Maheshwarani Sutrani.
Now, Ug. Where is Gakara as it letter here? Is
No.
there any Gakara as it letter?
No, Guruji. No.
Therefore, because of Sandhi, Gakara has come. Therefore, what in the place of Gakara, what should have been there before Sandhi?
Kakara.
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 Kakara. Uk plus it alone becomes Ugit. Where is Kit here? Manjula?
Yes, yes.
Kit kutra asti?
Yeah.
Kakara as an it letter is there, therefore this pratyaya is Kit ardhatuka pratyaya. Here it is Uk. So, see, this is the Kakara is a one letter, right? It's a single letter. Kakara is a single letter and which is an it letter. Therefore, the pratyaya is Kit pratyaya. This Kitvam is based on the letter, one letter, Ekavarnaha Kakara being a Kit. Kakara is there, therefore that is it letter, therefore it's called Kit. Now, to show that any letter in a group, any letter in a group, to denote the letter, to denote the letters,
Single letter.
to denote the letter in a group as an ith letter, we can use pratyahara. Meaning, when you say uk, u, r, l, any of the three letters, if it is there, then we can call that as ugit. It means ukara could be an ith letter, or rikara could be an ith letter, or likara can be an ith letter. So this is a pratyaya where u is there. Therefore, we can call it as ugit pratyaya. Understand?
Yeah.
I can give another example where another uk letter, for example, can take this pratyaya. Shatru. It is shatru, not shatru, not enemy. This is a pratyaya. Shatru. Here, the pratyaya has got shakara. Shakara is what letter? Ith letter. Okay. Therefore, the pratyaya is
Sarvadhatuka.
very good. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Shitvad. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. It's a present participle pratyaya. This is. And ru is
Ith letter.
ith letter. Ru.
Letter.
Is it
And
not
u
u?
also.
Where is u?
Shatru.
Where is shatru only, not shatru? Where is u? Only these letters are there. Shakara plus at plus ru. Where is u? There is no u. Rikara is a part of
Uk letter.
uk pratyahara. Therefore, this is also
Ugit.
ugit. Understand?
Ugit.
This is also ugit pratyaya. That ugitvam, that property, that is important. I give another pratyaya. There is another pratyaya called davatu. Davatu. Here also, you can see dakara is ith letter. The dakara is ith letter, and
Kara.
sorry, dakara plus then avat. Avat is the content, in fact. Then u is ith letter. Therefore, this pratyaya is also
Ugit.
Ugit.
ugit, davatu pratyaya. So all these are ugit pratyayas. Okay. Anyway, so this is only two, or just to show you the example I gave shatru and all, but that is not our context. So remove that. Now coming back here. Tavatu pratyaya is a ugit pratyaya. Now you understand why I call it as a ugit.
Hmm.
Ugit, uk meaning ukara, rikara, likara. If any of these letter is there as part of the pratyaya, and if it is an ith letter, then the pratyaya can be called ugit pratyaya. Right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, the content of the tavatu pratyaya being tavat, therefore the pratipadika must be ending with what pratyaya, what letter?
Takara.
Takara only. And that this is unlike Marut Shabda. Why? Because Marut Shabda Takara, there is no Ugitanda. Marut Takaranta Shabda. But here it is the last letter, the ith letter happened to be uk, which is it, therefore not seen. And the visible letter is only takara, therefore it is called takaranta Shabda. And because of this property being ugit, it is different from Marut Shabda. It is different from Marut Shabda. That is that's ith letter makes the distinction. That uk, ith letter, ugit, that brings that distinguishes this shabda from Marut Shabda. Therefore, it is not like Marut. Patitavat. How do you decline? Pullinge.
Patitavan.
Patitavantau, patitavantah.
And Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Paditavantam.
Patitavantam, patitavantau,
Patitavantah.
patitavantah.
Patitavataha. You know what is Sarvanamastana, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, just to recall what Sarvanamastana you studied in the other class.
Yes.
What is
1 1 1
Sarvanamastana?
2 1
1 1 1 2.
1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2.
3,
2
2, 1,
1
2, 3.
2 2
This is for
One, two,
Pullinga.
three.
for
And Strilinga.
Pullinga and Strilinga.
Strilinga.
Pumsakalinga, you leave out. We are not interested. We are going to do Pullinga.
Yes.
Now,
Mm.
now you chant Patitavat Shabda, Pullinge.
Patitavan,
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 patitavantau, patitavantah,
Patitavantau,
Patitavantam,
patitavantam,
patitavantau,
patitavatah.
Up to Sarvanamastana. Now, Patitavataha, when you say 3 3,
Mm.
is there Nakara there?
No, Guruji.
Yeah,
No.
there is Patitavantaha.
What about in
Anta, okay, no.
what about when the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya follows? Nakara is there in the declension?
Yes.
Yes.
Patitavan, Nakara is there.
Patu.
Patitavantau, Nakara is there. Patitavantaha, Nakara is there.
One,
Right?
yeah, Vantaha.
Hmm.
Patitavantam, Nakara is there. Patitavantau, Nakara is there. Patitavataha, it is not a Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, therefore no Nakara. So there is some connection between the Sarvanamastana Pratyaya and Nakara. Yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
Yes.
Simple. Therefore, you can okay. Nakara is what is the Nakara really? It is because of an agama. What agama you can guess?
Numa.
Simple.
Numagama.
Numagama. See, you are so intelligent, you know half of everything is done. Numagama. The Numagama comes, when does it come? When what pratyaya follows Numagama comes for the Pratipadikam. You said now. When what pratyaya follows, Numagama come for Ugit Anta Pratipadikam. I've completed everything.
Sarvanamastana pratyaya.
Sarvanamastana
Exactly.
pratyaya
When
follows.
Sarvanamastana pratyaya follows, see, we are doing Subanta also. It's also connected to Subanta. It's all connected. So you can connect with this other class also. So now you know the declension of Ugitanta Pradipadikam. So Takara, it is a Takaranta Shabda, fine, but the Pratyaya is Ugit. Therefore, Ugitanta Pradip, it is Ugitanta Dad Pratyaya, and extending that to this this here we are doing Tavatu Pratyaya. Therefore, Ugitvat, that property, Ugitvam, because of which what happens, Numagama comes for the Pratipadikam. The Pratipadikam is Takaranta Pratipadikam when it is followed by Sarvanamastana Pratyaya. So when Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, for Pullinga you take Su out, just out follows the Ugit Anta Pratipadikam. Ugit Anta Pratipadikam. Uk is a it letter. Therefore, you don't see that Ukara there. You see only Takara, Takaranta Shabda. But Ukara is it letter. You understand? Pratipadikam is Takaranta Shabda, no doubt. But Ukara as an it letter. Pratipadikam as Ukara as an it letter. Therefore, Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Right? In that way, it is different from Marut Shabda. Marut Shabda is purely Takaranta. Whereas Patitavati is Takaranta, but it is Ugitanta. Understand? You follow what I'm saying?
Yes. Yes, Ji.
Yes.
Therefore, Ugitanta Pratipadikam, when followed by this Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, you get Numagama. You get Numagama. Therefore, only in the first 5 forms, you have Patitavan, Patitavantau, Patitavantaha. You see, here, Patitavat, we know, we have derived the Patitavat Pratipadikam. Pat plus Tavatu Pratyaya, you add, and Pat Dhatu, Set Dhatu, and this is Adha Dhatu Pratyaya, Valadi, you get Itagama, therefore Patitavat you get. Now, Patitavat is Takarantaha, let us do Pullinga, Pullingaha, Patitavat Shabdaha, Takaranta. Ugitvat, because it is a Ugit, it will get Numagama. That is why that's why the property is important. The Ugitvam is important. Ugitvat Pratipadikasya Num Agamaha Bhavati. This is a rule. This is a rule. The rule you can know. Ugitvat, any Ugitanta Pratipadikam will get Numakama. That is why I give the example of Shatru, Davatu, etc. Shatru is Shatranta. That also we will see later. So Ugitvat Pratipadikasya. Pratipadikasya. Ugitvat Pratipadikasya Numagama Bhavati. Now, what is a Pratipadikam Patitavat? It is Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Are you convinced whether it is Ugitanta Pratipadikam?
Yes, Guruji.
So, Patitav. Don't, because you confusion may come. It is Takaranta. You are saying Ugitanta. Yes. What is Ugit? Ukara is, Uk letter is it. Yes, it is Uk letter is it only. Because Tavatu. Therefore, it is Ugitanta Pratipadikam. Ugitanta Pratipadikam Numagama will get. When? All? No. Only when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows. Right?
Guruji,
Yes.
has it got to be Takara ending only?
Need not be. It can be anything.
Ah.
Why Takara?
Ah. Okay.
It can be anything. That we will see. Don't worry. Here the context is Takaranta Shabda.
Okay.
You will see Sakaranta, another thing also.
Mhm.
Now, here the one other point is Pratipadika Sinnumahama Bhavati when followed by
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana.
what you have to
Yeah.
write. Sarvanamasthana Sthane Pratyaye Pare. It is in what vibhakti? What vibhakti should be written? Follows. Therefore, Sarvanamasthane.
Pancham.
Sarya. Sarvanamasthane Pratyaya Pare. Okay. Not Panchami. How it can be Panchami? When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, Pare, you know, Saptami Bhakti, why I am using. This is simple vritti, simple Sanskritam you can understand. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, what follows has to be in Saptami, right?
Yes.
And the Sthani is Pratipadika. Because that
Pratipadika.
alone gets Agama. Agama is nothing but an Adesha, type of Adesha only. The difference is
Yeah.
Adesha is Shatruvat, Agama is Mitravat. Like a friend, it gets added to the Pratipadika. And here the Agama is Numagama. Ukara, that Makara and Ukara both are iterator. Content is only Nakara. Therefore, only Nakara you see Patitavan, Patitavanto. Now, Num, it is Agama is Num because the Agama is Num. Num being a myth, Makara is it. Therefore, the Agama can be called
Mittagama.
You know it, right? I already we have seen that
Yes.
before.
Yeah.
So it's a myth Agama. So don't have any doubt with regard to that. It's a myth Agama. Because the Agama is myth, and when it is ordained for the Pratipadikam, therefore, Agama being myth, it will come after the last ach of the Pratipadikam. Now, the Pratipadikam is Patitavat. Patitavat. Now, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, let us take Su. Su is 1-1. I'm taking 1-1. Follows. This Patitavat will get Numagama. Where the Numagama? Where Nakara? Numagama means Nakara. Where it will come?
After
To
Va.
the last
Vaka-
touch.
Va
So
plus A.
after
Akara.
Akara of Bakara.
Yes, that is the last touch. The At. Therefore, Patitavant, right?
Yeah.
It's correct. Is it correct or not?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Patitavant. It has to be Patitavant. Followed by Su. Su is nothing but Sakara, right? What Pratyaya is that? You know, Ekal Pratyaya.
Ekal pratyaya. So, lopaha bhavati.
Lopaha.
Lopa.
That you can do later. Now, you see, Sarvanamasthane Pratyaya Pare, Numagama has come. You can apply the Sandhi rules, whatever you learned, you can see. Now, one more rule is there. Just you can note that rule. We'll talk about that little later. Okay. So you get Numagama, Patitavant. Now, when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, that what is Upada letter to Nakara? Upada means what?
Penultimate.
Penultimate.
Not penultimate. Upada means before.
Akara.
Upada. I'm asking Upada to Nakara. Okay.
Akara.
I'm asking Upada to Nakara. Penultimate, yes, that's fine. What you say is, why you say penultimate, I don't know, because that connecting with Angakarya, I said penultimate. that is, Upada means, the definition of Upada is, Alontyat Purvam Upada. Antya Arahap, okay. You can call it as penultimate because that is what the definition is, penultimate. I think because of Angakarya, what we learned, I think you are using the word penultimate. But here I'm asking that Upada to Nakara.
Akara.
I'm not asking the penultimate of the Pratipadikam. Upada of the Pratipadikam. If it is Upada of the Pratipadikam, if the Upada of the Pratipadikam, then you can say Nakara. But I'm asking Nakara si Upada. Penultimate to Nakara. Okay.
Akara.
Then it has to
Akara.
be Akara. Okay.
Akara.
Upada is penultimate. That is what your understanding is correct. There is no problem in that. If it is Upada of the Pratipadikam, if it is asked, then you can say Nakara. But I'm asking the Upada to Nakara. Therefore, it is Akara. Now, what will happen to that Nakara when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows? That becomes Dirga. So, Dirgam Krutva, you have Patitavan. Right? Patitavan. Then Sakara. That Pratyaya Sakara. Now, you have Patitavans. Now, what is Patitavans? Up to this, is it clear, all of you?
Yes,
Patitavat is a Pratipadikam. It is Ugitanta Pratipadikam. When Stranvasana Pratyaya follows, it gets Nummagama. Num being Mittagama comes after the last H. Then that Nakara is Upada now. And Upada to Nakara is Akara. That gets Dirgadesha when followed by this Tarunamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, Patitavans you get. Right? Up to this. Any doubt? You can write the steps later. Up to this, is it clear?
Yes.
Now, what is this Patitavans? What is the difference between Patitavat and Patitavans?
Padam.
Padam. Patitavans is a Padam. Okay. Before making this, we have to do this. Sakara. Okay. Then we can make it as a Padam. Sakara is a what is a Pratyaya. What will happen to this?
Lopa bhavati.
Yes. Lopam Krutva. First you do the Lopa. Otherwise, you have to apply 2 times. Now, Patitavans is? It's a Padam. It's a Padam, right? Now, Padante kimasti?
Takara.
Conjunct.
Conjunct consonant. Therefore, what you remember?
The last one will disappear.
By what rule?
Lopa.
You know that we have seen in the very recent in the Sandhi class.
Yes, Guruji.
What is that rule?
1 second. Give me 1 minute.
Antyavarna of conjunct.
Sanyogantasya lopaha. Remember?
Yeah, 8 to
What is the rule?
23.
Yes.
8 to
Sanyogantasya lopaha.
Antyavarna lopaha. Padante jhalipare.
Padanteva jali pareva. Here jali is not there. Therefore, you can take it as.
Padante.
Therefore, what you have?
Patitvan.
Patitavan.
That is a shabda. That is a form. Patitavan. That's what we chant. Patitavan. Patitavantau. Patitavantaha. Simple. Now you know the steps. You can note it down later. Anyway, and just all these things are not required for Pravesha class. But still, you can know now. You can easily understand and form the shabda and form the rupams, vibhakti rupam. Patitavan. Why it is Patitavan? You know. So again, I repeat. Please follow. When Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows Ugitanta Pradipadikam, I say Ugitanta Pradipadikam. It means it can be, the Pradipadikam can be ending with any letter, any visible letter. That is Takara, Sakara, anything. Ugit, when I say that invisible letter. Ukara as Ita letter, not seen. Ugit, Ugitanta Pradipadikam. That is the distinction we make with the from the Marut Shabda. Marut is Takaranta. Just Takaranta only. There is no Ugit business there. But here,
Invisible.
the Ugitvam is there. This Patitavat Pratipadikam as the status of Ugit, being a Ugitvam. Therefore, Ugit Anta Pratipadikam when followed by Sarvanama Sthana Pratyaya, that Pratipadikam gets Num Agama. Num being a myth Agama comes after the last Ach. Then that when Nakara as the Upada is there in the Pratipadikam, followed by Sarvanamastana Pratyaya, then another rule walks in. That is, it's Upada. Upada to Nakara will get Dirghadesha, will get Dirgatto. Then you have Patitavant. Then this Sakara goes away by, you know that Ekal Pratyaya, that's a Lopaha Bhavati. You know that. That Sakara, which is a one-lettered Pratyaya following a consonant, will vanish. Then you have Patitavant. Patitavant is a Padam. Because it is a Padam, now Sayogantasya Lopaha, you know, the conjunct consonant at the end of the Padam, the last letter of the conjunct at the end of the Padam will be dropped, will become Lopaha. Therefore, you have Patitavan. That's why we get Patitavan, Kaditavan, Davitavan, any. And Patitavan is equal to, what is the meaning? Patitavan is equal to
Apatat.
Apatat. He read Patitavan is equal to Apatat. So this I did for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? Same thing. Once you have Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Dvitiya and all easy. Dvivachanam is easy. Dvitiya Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Bhagavachanam. I do for Dvivachanam. Other thing you can try. Patitavat plus Au. Au is Sarvanamastana or not?
Yes.
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 Therefore, Numahama will come or not?
Yes.
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 Welcome.
And therefore, Upada Dirgatvam will happen or not? Upada to Akara
Hmm.
happens. Patitavan and Au. Upada Dirgam happens, right?
Hmm.
But here, it will not happen. Only for Su it happens. That is also a rule, restricted. Only for Su. So therefore, I wrote here Saranamastane Pratyaya Pare here. So here we have to write one condition. Only when Su follows, it happens. Only Su is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana, that is a Su. What is the name of this called? Some special name is that. I think I taught you that. No, this Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Su. You see, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Su and Sambodhana Pratama Ekavachanam. What is that? That is also Su only,
Su.
right? But both are different. This Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Su, that is, has got one name, special name. It's called Sambuddhi. It is called Sambuddhi. This is another Sanya. Now, that is very important Sanya. You have to note. I write here Sambuddhi. Sorry, it is Asambuddhi, not Sambuddhi. Sambuddhi is 8-1. Sambuddhi is 8-1. Sambuddhi is a name given to Sambodhana Pratama. Okay. Sambuddhi is a Sanya, is a name given to the Pratyaya Sambodhana Pratama. 8-1. 8-1 Su.
So that's why, Guruji, there we have Patitavan, right? That.
So, yeah, Patitavat, exactly.
Oh.
Patitavan.
In Sambodhana, we don't have Patitava. We have only Patitavat. So, please note, this is 8-1. Okay, not 1-1. Su, that is 8-1 as the name Sambuddhi. One more Sanya you have to note. Many Sanyas are there. Already we have seen Saranamastana, Bhasanya, Padasanya, technical Padasanya. In fact, this is also to be added to that. The file it was there, I removed because I didn't teach you. Now I am introducing this also. So if 8-1 is Sambuddhi, what about 1-1, which is also Su?
Asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi.
It is not a Sambuddhi, negative, like Sarvanamastana, Asarvanamastana. You know that, right? When Asarvanamastana Pratyaya follows, Anga gets the Basanya, Padasanya, etc. Visa, right? You remember?
Yes,
Ika
yes,
gets
yes.
Sabasagya when it is followed by Ajadi or Yakaradi Asarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Similarly, that we define the name in a negative way, Nanch. So here Sambuddhi, Na Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi. Therefore, now you see that I modify the condition. In the beginning I wrote Ukitvat Pratipadikasya Numakhavabhavati Saranavasthane. This rule is fine. But here it is for Patitavat, specifically for Tavatu Pratyaya, Tavatu Pratyaya Vishaye. Why it is and all that we will see later. Pratyaya Vishaye. What happens? Pratipadikasya Num Agamaha Bhavati when Asambuddhi Sarvanavasthane Pratyapare. This condition, it is therefore Tavatu Pratyaya. Tavatu being a Ugit, therefore supposed to get Numagama when Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya follows. Sarvanavasthana Pratyaya means 5 Pratyayas, 5 plus 3, 8, including Sambodhana, 8, 1, 8, 2, 8, 3. Whereas for Tavatu, what happens? Only when Asambuddhi Saranamasthane Pratyapare, it gets Numagama. It means Asambuddhi is 1, 1. Asambuddhi means it is, you can write Asambuddhi is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Sambuddhi is Sambodhana Pratama. Asambuddhi is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Sambuddhi is the name given to Sambodhana Pratama. And the Pratyaya is same for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam as well as Sambodhana Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Since the Pratyaya is same, by calling 8-1 as Sambuddhi, we can refer to 1-1 as Asambuddhi. So, for Tavatu Pratyaya, only when Asambuddhi Saranavasthana Pratyaya follows, we say Pratipadika will get Num. It means, because we say Asambuddhi Saranavasthane Pratyaya, it means when other Saranavasthana Pratyaya follows, Numagama will not come. Here, how? Even though it is Saranavasthana Pratyaya, is it Sambuddhi? Is it Asambuddhi?
So, no, it is not.
It is not. It's neither Sambuddhi nor Asambuddhi. Only when Asambuddhi means Sambuddhi means Su, Asambuddhi means 1-1. Asambuddhi referring to 1-1. Okay. So more specifically we can write, because this Asambuddhi, when we say, how also can be Asambuddhi? Yes. Therefore, here we modify saying that when Asambuddhi Sustra Namasthana Pratyaya Pare. When Asambuddhi Su is 1-1. Asambuddhi Su, or we can write like this, Asambuddhi Sau Pare. When Asambuddhi, I just modify that. Asambuddhi Sau is Saptami. Asambuddhi Sau Sarvanamasthane Pratyaya Pare. So Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, which is Su, and the Su is Asambuddhi. It means 1-1. Follows only Tavatu Pratyaya Vishaye. With regard to Tavatu, Pratipadika will get Numagama. It means the following Pratyaya must be a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, and it should be Pratama Bhakti Ekavachanam. Only in the context of Tavatu Pratyaya, when Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya follows, and the Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana has to be Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Why that Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya condition is required? Because in Napumsakalinga, 1-1 doesn't have the Sanya Sarvanamasthana. 1-1 doesn't have, only 1-3 and 2-3. Therefore, all the words are important. Sarvanamasthane Pratyaya Pare important, and Asambuddhi is important, and Sau also important. For Pullinga and Srilinga, when Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Pratyaya Su follows, the Anga, that is a Pratipadigam, will get Numagama. That is the final conclusion. Therefore, when Au follows, which is a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, find but it is not, it is asambuddhi also, that is fine, but it is not su. It is not su. Therefore, what will happen? Therefore, what will happen?
Nummagama.
Nummagama will come, but upada dirghatvam will not happen.
Hmm.
Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Sorry.
So, so Numagama follows, but Dirghatvam does not happen.
By mistake I wrote. Yeah, sorry. Nummagama comes for all. This is Tavatu Vrishaye, not Nummagama here. Sorry. Dirghatvam na bhavati. Okay. Dirghatvam bhavati. This is Dirghatvam bhavati. Tavatu Vrishaye Pratipadikasya Dirghatvam. That is
Upada.
Upada. I will write like this. Nopadasya. Whether you can just see, follow. Nopadayaha. Pratipadikasya Nopadayaha. Dirghatvam bhavati. Pratipadikasya Nopadayaha. Padayaha. This nakarasya upadayaha dirghatvam bhavati asambuddhi sau sarvanamastane pratyaya pare. Okay, sorry, by mistake I wrote copy paste problem. It is not nummagama. Kshamita. It is nakarasya upadayaha dirghatvam bhavati. That is sutra. That is atvasantasya chadhatoho. Anyway, that we will see later. Just note this. Tavatu pratyaya follows. That is dirghatvam only we are talking about. Tavatu pratyavishye dirghatvam. Let me write here. Dirghatvam. In fact, dirghatvam for upada dirghatvam. Upada dirghatvam happens only when asambuddhi su follows. Asambuddhi su sarvanamastana pratyaya follows. That is a condition. So now here, nummagama will come. Nummagama comes because of, that is pratama, that is, this condition is fine. Ugitvat pratipadikasya nummagama bhavati sarvanamastane pratyaya pare, that is number 1. Okay, that I will write. This is for num agamaha. For nummagama, the condition is ugit. For upada dirghatvam is that also.
Asambuddhi.
I will write no pada. No pada is
Upada.
akarasya upadayaha dirghatvam. Okay. No padayaha dirghatvam. I hope you can understand this. Nakarasya upada.
No pada.
It's actually a samasa. It's a nasya. Nakarasya upada no pada. The compound. Nakarasya upadayaha dirghatvam. Upada to nakara. Nakara could be either at the end or could be penultimate. It's upada. That's what we are talking about. Okay. That's a dirghatvam. So that in that context, tavatu pratyavishye, only when asambuddhi su follows, it will happen. So two things happen here. One is nummagama, other one is dirghatvam. Nummagama happens for ugitanta pratipadikam. Upada dirghatvam happens only when asambuddhi su follows. This is the point. Okay.
So that sau also goes away, Guruji? Asambuddhi sau.
Asambuddhi sau. What happens? Asambuddhi sau means we are asking about one.
Yes, yeah, got
It
it.
goes away.
That is goes away by, you know, that rule. When ekal pratyaya follows, the alanta pratipadikam goes away. Okay, now 1, 2 you see, then I will tell you what is 8, 1. Patitavat plus au sarvanamastane pratyaya pare ugitanta pratipadikasya nummagamaha bhavati. Fine. Then what happens after that? Upada dirghatvam, will it happen? No. That is what is negated. Then patitavant plus au. You add, you get patitavantau. So you have patitavantau. Similarly, patitavat plus shas. Patitavat plus just the content is us. It is sarvanamastana pratyaya. When sarvanamastana pratyaya follows, nummagamaha bhavati. But upada dirghatvam na bhavati because it is not asambuddhi su. Therefore, leave as it is. You join, you get patitavan plus us is patitavantas. Then padanta sakara becoming
Ru, refa, visarga.
and then becomes repa is visarga. So that's why you get patitavantaha. Patitavan, patitavanto, patitavantaha. You got it. Then Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Patitavan, patitavanto, then patitavantaha, patitavantam. The same thing. You add adding you get patitavat plus
Patitavantam.
patitavat plus Is it Sranamasana Pratyaya? Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, Numagama will come. But Upada Dirghatam will not happen. So just join, you get Patitavantam. And Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Patitavat plus
Yes.
no,
No,
Dvivachanam. Out.
Sorry.
Out.
Out.
Out is also
Out.
Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. When follows Ugitanta Pratipadikasya Numagama Bhavati, Kintu Upada Dirghatam na Bhavati, because it is not Asambuddhisu. Therefore, you have Patitavan. So just join. Now, let me do 2, 3. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam. Let me copy paste here. Patitavat plus Shas. Shas is 2, 3. Is it Sranamasthana Pratyaya?
No.
It is
No.
asarvanamastha.
Asarvanamastana pratyaya.
When Sranamasthana Pratyaya follows, will Ugitanta Pratipadikam gets Numagama?
No.
No. Therefore, no Numagama business. So therefore, Patitavat plus S, just simply join. Joining that you get Patita.
Patitavata.
Patitavataha. Padanta Sakara, Pad Sakara becoming
Ru becomes
Ru,
Repa,
Repa,
Repa
Visarga.
becomes Visarga.
Sarga. Similarly, all the forms you can try. Patitavat plus ta will become Patitavata. Right? Patitavata.
Tritiya Pradhama. Tritiya Ekavach.
Tritiya is Patitavata. Okay. You want me to do? I will do it also. One Shabda I will do. Other Shabda Karitavata, you can take it as an example and try it. So Patitavat plus Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Pat Pratyaya ta. Is it Saranamasthana? No.
No.
Therefore, no Numagama business. Content is A. Patitavata plus A will become
Patitavata.
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 Similarly, Patitavata plus Tritiya Dvivachanam. It is Vyam.
Vyam.
Is it
Padasarva.
Saranamasthana? It is not
Asarvanamastha.
Asranasthana Pratyaya Pare and
Asarvanamastha.
beginning with Aladi.
Hal.
Therefore,
Hal.
Anga
Aladi.
gets Sanya. Anga gets Sanya.
Padasang-
What's it? Padasanya.
Padasang.
Padasangam.
Patitavat is Padam. Therefore, Padatvat you can apply.
Sandhi.
Just a
Sandhi
Sandhi.
Karyas.
Sandhi will become what? Takara will become?
Dakara.
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 Patitavad plus Vyam. This is Jashva Sandhi number 1. Right? Jashvam number 1. And after that, Patitavad Takara followed by Vakara. It is Jal letter followed by Jash. Therefore, what will happen?
Just for two, but it remains the same.
Just
It remains the same, but you have to apply it.
Just
You
for
have to
two.
apply it. Jashva Sandhi number 1 first and Jashva Sandhi number 2.
Two.
To apply Jashva Sandhi number 2. Even though nothing happens, so no significant change. Then you have Patitavat Vyam. Same. Right? Once you do Patitavat Vyam, then 3, 2, then 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 5, 3 is all simple because all are beginning with Vyam, Bakara. Right? Then it is Bis. Patitavat plus Bis. What will happen? Same thing. Jashva Sandhi number 1, Jashva Sandhi number 2. Then you have Patitavat Bis, Padanta Sakara, replaced by Ru, then becomes Visarga, Patitavat Bihi. Right? Then Chaturthi, Ekavachanam. Pratyaya is,
Ne.
it is Nye. Content is,
A.
content is
A.
A. If anybody has doubt, please ask me. In the beginning, okay, I have not planned to teach this, so I never thought this much of my rules will come. Anyway, I thought of teaching you only Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavacham, that Numakama. But when he talked about Numakama, Upada Dirghatam happens, that I forgot. So then I have to talk about that. Upada Dirghatam comes when it happens only for Asambuddhi Su only. That also I have to teach. That also I didn't remember. I forgot that so much rules. Otherwise, I would not have taught this, taken up this. I would have asked you to just memorize a Shabda. Okay, do it. Fine. But since I have taken up, okay, let me complete it. This is I didn't plan actually to teach this. Anyway. But anyway, this is useful. If if I had
It
confused
is.
at the beginning, Kshamita, but now you please
No,
clarify.
no, Guruji.
Because
Mm.
if this is sutra based, if I'm going to teach it, then systematically one by one I would have taught. This is recently, in fact, I advanced the Sanskritam class. The context came, the sutra. I was teaching this. Attasantasya chadato, Sarvanamastane asambuddho. Those are the sutras applied here. But I didn't plan for this class. This is, we are doing Pravesha. There's no connection to that anyway. So that you see what is that and you have more interest to learn. That's why I thought of teaching only Pratama Vibhakti, but I get caught when I came to Dvitiya Vibhakti, I mean, Dvivacham and all. So I have to teach you what is Sambuddhi, Asambuddhi, etc. So all these are extra information. If you have any doubts, if I have confused, please clarify. Okay. Two things happen.
Is it two doubts?
Yeah, please ask.
So for this 2-3, can you just show me the 2-3?
I'll come to that. Okay. Before that,
Ah.
please, I'm asking all of you. Any doubts is there? Numakama first comes because of
Sarvanamasthana.
Sarvanamasthana.
two things I have to
Ugitvat.
remember.
Ugitvat.
Ugitvat.
First is Ugit will get. See, Numakama comes for an a stani, right? The stani has to be a Ugit and the Pratipadikam, number one. And the condition is when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows, right? When we say Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya, it means for Pullinga and Trillinga, starting from Su up to out. For Napumsakalinga, 1, 3 and 2, 3. This is clear. Then Dirghatvam happens to the Upada Nakara. It means Nakara is the Upada. In the Pratipadikam, it's penultimate. Okay. Upada to Upada, in fact. That happens when Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya. Asambuddhi Su. You have to tell Su. Asambuddhi Su Sarvanamasthana. Because Sambuddhi is 8-1. Asambuddhi Sarvanamasthana, when we say, it could be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2. But not all when follows Upada Dirghatam happens. Only when 1, 1 follows only. Therefore, we have to say Asambuddhi Su, that is Sau. Sau, it is Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. Don't think it is Sau is something else. It is Su. Saptami Vibhakti. Because that follows. Asambuddhi Su Sarvanamasthana Pratyaye Pare. That is only for 1, 1 Upada to Nakara gets Dirgha Adesha. These two things. Numagama, number 1. Number 2, no Padayaha Dirghatvam. If these two things are clear, then the derivation is simple. Yes, Rajaji, now you can ask.
Yeah, two doubts, Guruji, actually. First
Yeah.
one, that Ugitvat, which you mentioned, I think the first two words when you were explaining that Shatru and
Yes, okay.
Davattu,
Yes.
so there for Ru, you said the end letter is Ru, but when we do Davatu, that time you are saying the end letter is U. So
yeah. Davattu is U.
Yeah, Davatu, that I understand. So for Shatru, why we are saying the end letter is Ru, not U?
Because it's Rikara only.
But there also the Chandrabhemam is there, no? So.
But what is the letter? It is not Shatu, right? It is Shatru. The Pratyaya is Shatru. Pratyaya is ending with Rikara, which is an ether letter.
Okay.
Now, what is the doubt? The Pratyaya is like that. The Pratyaya is Rikaranta.
Is it Shatru or Shatru, Guruji? That's
Shatru, not Shatru. That's why I said at the beginning, don't say it is Shatru, not enemy, not Ukara, it is Rikara.
Okay, Shatru. Okay.
I wrote Shatru only, not Shatru. Shatru means it becomes enemy. There is no Shatru.
Okay. Yeah, you did say that, Guruji.
Shatru, Rikaranta. And it's an ether letter. Okay, Rikaranta also you should not say it is udit. That's why ugit.
Ugit.
Ugit. See, ukara, rikara, likara. Any letter, any of these three letters is it in which that pratyaya is called ugit pratyaya. Whether it is shatru or davatu or tavatu, so many pratyayas are there. That is ugitanta pradipadikam. Okay. Yes, that is one doubt. Next one.
Next one, the 2-3, if you can show the 2-3 declension.
Yes.
So yeah, so as per the rule, this patitavat becomes padam, right? Because of
How it becomes a padam? No. This shas is asarvanamasthana pratyaya. When asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, right? And
Yeah.
asarvanamasthana pratyaya beginning with haladi only becomes a padam. It is ajadi.
Okay.
Therefore, anga will get
It's
sanya. Bhasanya.
Bhasanya.
Only
Bhasanya.
one sanya is allowed. Either it should be a bhasanya or padasanya.
Padasanya.
Anga cannot enjoy both the sanyas.
Yeah. Sorry,
Either
Guruji, I
has to
got
be a
it.
padam or has to be yes.
No, I got it as haladi.
Okay.
That's
The
a mistake.
condition of anga enjoying a bhasanya or padasanya comes only when a sarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. So shas being asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows. When asarvanamasthana pratyaya follows, now shas is asarvanamasthana. Therefore, anga can enjoy bhasanya or padasanya. But the pratyaya beginning with ach. Therefore, padasanya ruled out, anga gets bhasanya. What is the significance of bhasanya? Again, out of scope. If I get into that, then we'll go somewhere. So that we don't have to bother. Leave it. That context comes, that time you will see. Now, padasanya is important because if you know padasanya, then we can apply all the sandhi related meaning. So up to now nye, patitavat plus nye. Just join. What do you have? Patitavate.
Patitavate.
Then 4-2 is same as 3-2. Byam only. So already done.
Yes.
Yes.
And 4-3 is byaha. That is also
Yes.
same.
Yes. Blessing.
Therefore, what will happen? It is yes will become patitavat byaha. So same Jashva Sandhi number 1. This you have to follow. Jashva Sandhi number 1, you have to do it. Then number 2. Then finally you will have just patitavat byas, padanta sakara, replace it by ru, then by repa, then visarga.
Patitavat byaha.
Okay. Then 5-1.
Yes.
Nasi.
Yes.
Nasi. Content is
Us.
Us.
Nasi. Here you can see this is also Nasi is that E is with letter. Okay.
Yeah.
Content is us only. Same as Shashti Bhakti. So here what will happen? This is Ajadi Asravanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore, Anga will get Bhasanya, not Padasanya.
Bhasanya.
Here, in fact, the Padasanya is we don't require because we are not applying any rule based on Padasanya. We have to know it is not Padasanya. That is important. It is not a Padam. Therefore, Padanta Vidhi, we cannot apply. Jalan Jashanti, etc. we cannot apply. Just join. We have Patitavataha. Right? 5-2, same as 4, same as 3-2, 4-2. And 5-3, same as 4-3, Patitavat byaha.
Yes.
So that also we can leave it. So Shashti Bhakti is, that is same as 5-1.
5-1.
Content is us only.
Yes.
Same, us
Us.
only. Nas,
Yes.
the content is us. So Patitavataha.
Yeah.
6-2,
Os.
Osh.
Os. So Os will become, again, this is Ajadi Asarvanamastana Pratyaya. Therefore,
Bhasanya.
therefore not a Padasanya, Patitam. Therefore just simply add Patitavatos will become Patitavato.
Patitavatoho.
Then Shashti Bhagavachanam. Pratyaya is
Am.
See, in some cases, not here. In some cases here, what will happen? Some Nuttagama something will come. Like in Rama Shabda, Rama Nam, right? What is Shashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam of Rama Shabda? Ramana, Ramana,
Harinam.
Harinam, Guru Nam, all Nam. There one Nuttagama comes. Because of some Nuttagama, see here, I'm just saying extra, giving extra information, not required. I don't expect you to remember it. Just I'm saying, what I'm saying that you focus. It becomes Nam, right? Then what pratyaya is this now? What
Haladi.
pratyaya? Haladi. Haladi.
Haladi.
Asarvanavasthana.
Asarvanama pratyaya.
Therefore, Anga will get the Sanya.
Padasanya.
Padasanya.
In Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, it will become Padasanya. Understand?
Mm.
But here, there is no Nuttagama, so no problem.
Right. Ajadi.
Okay.
It is Ajari, therefore,
Ajadi.
not a Padasanya, Bhasanya.
Bhasanya.
Mm.
Simple addition. So here, Patitavatam. Then, Saptami.
Ni.
Ni.
Saptami Ni. Okay. Content is E.
E.
So,
E.
Patitavat plus E will become Patitavati.
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 6-2, 7-2 is same as 6-2. So, you can leave
Yes.
that. Now, 7-3 you see.
Sup.
It is Su. Sup, therefore, it is Su.
Halanta Sarvanama.
Yes, it is
Halasanya.
Haladi. Haladi
Haladi
Sravanamastane
Asarva.
Pratyaya Pare. Angasya Kasanya Bhavati.
Padasanya bhavati.
Padasanya.
Padam.
Padasanya. Padatvat. First thing what you do?
Jashva Sandhi 1.
Jashtva Sandhi.
Yashvasandhi number 1. After that,
Jashva Sandhi 2.
it's a soup, not soup. Sometimes this mistake will be. See, when we even when you do homework, sometimes the su is there. If by mistake, if you say sir, then what you will do? That the lopaha, you will end up with some problem. So you have to
Yes.
be allowed to write it as su. Okay. Patitavat plus su. Now what will apply? This is skar letter.
Yes.
I given a clue. What will happen?
Tattvaviti.
Chartaviti.
Mm.
So jal will be replaced by kar letter. Therefore, you will have
Kar letter.
patitavatsu. That's a form.
Mm.
So up to 7-3 we have done. Then Sambodhana now you see. See, I never expected all these things will come. Anyway, I feel I should have given you enough background to teach this. Anyway, because I started with Num and Dirgatum, all these things I never expected. Okay, I feel like I got into problem.
Guruji, this
Yeah.
Nopada Dirgatvam you did teach us
Ah.
in Vidvas when you were talking about the word
Oh,
Vidvas.
I taught you this.
Yeah, in that example in class 144 you had given us 6.1.68.
Oh, very good. Okay. I thought I didn't teach you that. Dirgatum. Okay.
You did not teach the name of the sannyas, but Dirghatvam was taught.
Okay. Then, okay. Yeah. See, depending on the class and the standard, certain things I tell, certain things I cut it. Because unnecessary, it will confuse you. That's why
Yes.
here also, I didn't tell the rule. I don't want to give more information. Give you information that much you can pick up. Otherwise, unnecessary doubts will come. You'll result in confusion. That's why in the beginning I got into that. But anyway, now okay, 8-1. I never thought I will introduce this sanya. Anyways, so now you know the sanya also, sambuddhi.
Sambuddhi.
In my work, the document what I sent, Takaranta Shabda, the word file. In that document, originally all the sanyas were there. But in for this class, I didn't teach sambuddhi and all. Therefore, I removed all those things.
Oh,
Now again, I have to add, and because I taught you sambuddhi, what is sambuddhi, so you can follow that. I will send you the original document. Okay. So now sambuddhi. 8-1 is sambuddhi. Sambuddhi, is it Sravanamastana?
Yes.
Yes, it is
Yes,
Sravanamastana. Therefore, what will happen? Sarvanamastane pratyaya pare kim bhavati?
Numagama does not come.
Numagama will not come. Why?
Num will come. Dirghat will not.
Dirghatva will not happen.
Dirgatvam will not happen. But Numagama will come. Numagama will come by because Ugitvat, right? Because Ugit, therefore you will have Numagama. But Dirgatvam will not happen. Why Dirgatvam will not happen?
because it's not Asambuddhi.
Sambuddhi
so-
too.
It is Sambuddhi. Condition is given in negative way. Only when Asambuddhi follows, then only Upada Dirgatvam happen. Right?
Mm.
So therefore, you have Shabda Manjari with you. Anybody?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Please check this Shabda Patitavata, any Shabda, any Tavatu ending Shabda, any Takaranta Shabda. Takaranta Tavatu ending. 1 minute.
Marut.
Not Maruta.
No. Vibhya. Bhubrut.
1 minute.
Indrajit. Vishwajit.
Not that Tavatu ending Shabda, like Krutavat,
Tavatu, okay.
Patitavat.
Okay.
1 minute, I'll open the Shabda Manjari.
Bhagavat can be used, Guruji. Bhagavat.
Yes, of course. Bhagavan, Bhagavantau, Bhagavantaha, Bhagavantam, Bhagavantau, Bhagavataha. Same like Patitavat. But the difference is Bhagavat is
So it becomes Bhagavan.
Taditanta word. Okay. Bhagavat is Taditanta, and here we are doing Kridanta. No problem. That is also Tavatu. That's also Ugit, not Tavatu. But it is Tadita. Don't worry about Tadita. We have not seen. Bhagavat, Dhimat, Buddhimat, all those words. Okay. Anyway, that we will see. I'll teach you that little later. Okay, no problem. This Shabda is not there, I think. Anyway, now
No,
Asambuddhi
no,
Su
yes,
follows,
yes.
therefore it gets what? Numagama comes, right? Numagama comes. And the Sakara goes away by Ekal Pratyaya following a Hal goes away. Therefore you have Patitavant. Here, Upada Dirghotam will not happen. Please, that much note. Because it is Sambuddhi. Asambuddhi Su Pratyaya Pare. Asambuddhi Sau Saranamastane Pratyaya Pare Eva. Upadaanakarasya Upadayaha Dirghotam Bhavati. But here, it is Sambuddhi. Therefore, it will not happen. Patitavant, you have 8-1. And it is a Padam. Therefore, you can apply Sanyogantasya Lopaha. Sanyoga, that is conjunct consonant at the end of the Padam. Its Antima Varna, Takara will become.
Patitavan.
You get Patitavan.
Patitavan.
Hey, Patitavan. This is a difference between 1-1 and 8-1. 1-1 is Asambuddhi, 8-1 is Sambuddhi. That you can see that because of that Sanya difference, the Sanya, you have the difference in the Upada Dirghatam happening and not happening. For 1-1 it's happening, for 8-1 it doesn't happen. Patitavan. Right? Patitavan, Patitavan. Patitavan, 8-1. Patitavan, 1-1. Patitavan, Upada Dirghatam, because it is Asambuddhisu. Patitavan, because it is Sambuddhisu. No Upada Dirghatam. It's clear.
Yeah.
Yes,
Then Au is again same as 1-2. It will become Patitavantam, no change. And 1-3, same.
Yes.
Patita, it is just is Patitavantaha. So now Patitavat Shabdaha, you know it. Patitavat Shabdaha is known, right? Okay. Here. I'll show you. Don't get. The sutra related certain things. I will show. We will discuss that this later. All these things. Otherwise, this will become Ashtadhyayi class. I don't want to get into that now. Now you see some. This I teach for the Ashtadhyayi students. Those who study Ashtadhyayi. You see the screen.
Yes, Guruji.
All these are extra information. Okay, I don't expect you to remember. You remember only these Numagama and Upada Dirghatam. That much is enough. Ugitanta Pradipadika Sambandha Niyamaha. The rules related to Ugitanta Pradipadikam. I have given here Ugit. Rajaji, you can see Shatru, Ugit, Tavatu. That is what we are interested in. We are doing Kridanta and Tavatu. Matup. You said that somebody said Bhagavat. That is the one. Bhagavatu or Matup. Matup or Vatup. Matup is Dhimat. Dhiman, Dhimanto. Same. Dhima, Dhimat Shabda. Takarantaha, Pullingaha, Dhimat. What is the meaning of Dhimat?
One endowed with buddhi.
Buddhi. Buddhimat or buddhimat, same. The pratyaya is matup. Matup is a tadita pratyaya. What pratyaya? Tadita.
Tadita.
What is the difference between tadita? Okay, tadita is a type of pratyaya. Okay, what is tadita? We'll learn later. But understand this much. Tadita pratyayas are added to a pratipadikam to get another pratipadikam. From a pratipadikam, another pratipadikam is derived by the addition of tadita pratyayas. Like matup, vatup, even davatu also. Okay. Tavatu is different. Shatri is different. These are added to dhatus to get a
Kridanta.
pratipadikam. They are kridantas. So it's very good. They are kridanta. The pratipadikam gets kridanta sanya, and here they will get tadita sanya. Tadita also pratipadikam. Why? Kritadita samasasya pratipadikam. Sutram is there. Kridanta, taditanta, and samasa is a pratipadikam. Iyasun, another pratyaya. This is also ugit. Ukara is it. Nakara is it. Fine. Ukara also it. Content is es. Like Shreyas, Shreyan. That also can see nakara. Shreyan, Shreyam. So Shreyam saha. Even vidvas. Vidvas also. Vidvas. Vidvas is really, in fact, it is shatranta. The shatra is replaced by vasu. That here I will add one more thing. That is vasu. Vasu. Bus ending. Vasu. Vasu is ugit. So vidvas. Vidvas is equal to, it is vidvas vasanta is equal to shatranta only. For vid shabda, the shatra is replaced by vas. What is shatra? We will see. It's very simple. It's important thing. Present participle. We are saying past participle now. Present participle we will see soon. Anyway, the vasu also is one more pratyaya we can add. All these are, the point is, all these are ugit.
Tadita anta.
All these are ugit,
Ugit.
not tadita, ugit. All these are ugit pratyayas. Okay. Now, okay, only that much I want to show here. Second, then third point you see. Sambodhana pratama vibhakti is called sambuddhi. Na sambuddhi, number 4. Asambuddhi. Therefore, 1 will get the name asambuddhi.
Asambuddhi.
Upada dirghatam happens only when
Asambuddhi follows.
that is what I told. Sutra atmasantasya chadata. So that we will see later. Don't worry about it. Just all these are, we are studying sutram only without mentioning the sutra. We are studying sutram only. Whatever the sutram says. So later when we study sutram, it will become easy. We can connect. Okay. Now coming back here. So patitavat shabda is done. Right? So patitavat takarantaha pullingaha patitavat shabdaha. So once you did patitavat, any shabda you can do. Patitavat shabda means but all takara, all tavatu ending you can do. Tavatu ending pratipadikam. Let me do one more thing. Just a minute. Okay, this patitavat. In Sri Lanka it would be
Patitavati.
Patitavati.
in Sri Lanka it is takaranta. Here it is the pratipadikam is takaranta pratipadikam. So what you have to do is patitavat plus there's a pratyaya, Sri Lanka pratyaya neep. Content. Okay, let me ask now a question. Neep, is it sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam?
I think Shita Ardhadhatukam.
Huh? What pratyaya?
Ardhadhatukam.
Pakara is there as a letter. Still you are saying.
That is not
It pratyaya.
Huh?
thing and hit. Thing and hit.
Thing and
It's not tingantam, Guruji.
you tell me what pratyaya is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam. My question is
Ardhadhatukam, Guruji.
Ardhadhatukam.
ardhadhatukam.
Because you said ship is limited to only Tiganta pratyayas.
You understand? Again, I ask question. What pratyaya is
Ting,
that?
ting
Is it
pratyaya. Yes, it is. It is sarvadhatukam. Ting pratyaya means pakara comes. No?
no, the understanding is not clear then. Again, I ask the same question. Is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam? Think and answer.
Ting,
Ardhadhatukam,
ting
Guruji.
and shit. Ting.
Only Ting and Shit are Sarvadhatukam. It is Ardhadhataka.
Please think again. It is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam. When do you apply the sanya, the sarvadhatuka sanya or ardhadhatuka sanya to a pratyaya? When do you when does the pratyaya enjoy the sanya?
When it is either
When it is
ting or
being
shit.
applied to a dhatu
No, no.
or to a
You
namapadam.
don't focus only on the pratyaya with regard to what you, that is also important.
Lakara, no, Guruji. Lat lakara, lang lakara.
What is that it's called?
Uh,
I want that you have to say that.
Sarvadhatukam.
No, no. I want to, with regard to what you add this pratyaya.
Prakriti.
What is that prakriti? What is that prakriti?
Prakriti is either dhatu
Dhatu
or
or pratipadikam.
pratipadikam.
No, no. I'm asking sarvadhataka pratyaya, ardhadhataka pratyaya that you add to what? What prakriti? You add only to the dhatus. You cannot add to that pratyaya. You cannot add to a
Yes,
pratipadikam, right?
yes, Guruji.
That condition is
Four lakara.
that's only for the dhatu. This only sarvadhataka pratyaya, ardhadhataka pratyaya, that sanya is applicable only for those pratyayas which are added to dhatus. Here, patitavati, is it a dhatu?
No, it is not.
What
It is a pratipadikam.
My question is, what pratyaya is that? And how can you tell this is sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam? It's neither. It cannot be sarvadhatukam nor. The question itself is wrong, but still you're answering. It's neither sarvadhatukam nor ardhadhatukam because the prakriti is not a dhatu. We are converting a pratipadikam into another pratipadikam, that is into a strilinga pratipadikam by the addition of this pratyaya neep. So it is neither sarvadhatukam nor ardhadhatukam. Why I ask is because pakara is it. Generally we think, oh, it is sarvadhatukam. No. Okay, we'll just go back here. What pratyaya is this? Shas. Sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam? Now you will be alert.
Sarvanamasthana pratyaya, Guruji.
Is it Sarvanamasthana pratyaya?
No, sir.
Asarvanamasthana.
I don't want that sanya. I'm asking, I'm giving you only this option. Is it Sarvadhatukam or Ardhadhatukam?
Neither.
Shakara is it. It's a shit pratyaya. Any doubt in that?
No.
No. Because ting shit Sarvadhatukam, here Shakara is it. Therefore, you cannot call this as Sarvadhatuka. Okay? Because it is added to a pratipadikam.
Yes.
Therefore, it doesn't enjoy that sanya, sarvadhataka sanya. Same thing here also. Neep is, it's a pratyaya added to pratipadikam. Because pakara is it, don't say it is sarvadhatukam. It is neither. The sarvadhataka sanya, ardhadhataka sanya, you have to remember, applicable only for those pratyas which are added to dhatus. Only when those pratyaya follows, angakarya happens. Right? Not for the pratipadikam. Have you seen anywhere angakarya happening now? In this example or anywhere? No. Even we have seen takaranta shabda, chakaranta, all those shabdas we have seen, right? Anywhere angakarya happening? No. The anga, the sanya is there, but angakarya not happening. You don't see any angakarya. Some other angakarya will happen, but not guna angakarya. At least we have not seen. It will come angakarya. That is different. But not guna the angakarya, guna angakarya, vriddhi angakarya. The last letter, if it is a ik letter, will take guna. The penultimate short ik will take guna, etc. We have never seen. Right? So therefore, here neep is neither. It's a strilinga pratyaya. It is a strilinga pratyaya. One of the strilinga pratyaya. There are many other. One of the strilinga pratyaya is patitavat. So any takaranta shabda, if you want to convert it to strilinga, add this pratyaya neep, whose content is e. Pakara is it. Nakara is also it. content is E. So what you have?
Patitavati.
Patitavati. Now Ikaranta Shabda, like Nadi Shabda. You can decline like
Hmm.
Nadi Shabda.
Hmm.
Now here, you see, I decline, I do this, 1 or 2, then after that you can try other Shabdas. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, I will do 1 Sranamasthana Pratyaya, 1 Asranamasthana. So let me take this 2. Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavati plus Su. Su is, I'm not going to do
Asambuddhi.
Asambandhi. Okay, I'm not going to do everything because Strilinga Shabda we have not seen. So it is out of scope. Nadi and all other, so many, again here also Sanyas are there. Some Nadi Sanya. Nadi itself is a Sanya as a name. And some other names also will come. I will not get into too much into that. Just I will highlight only certain things. Now, Nadi plus Su, Nadi Shabdavat, you know. Patitavati plus Su, Patitavati is Nadi Shabdavat. Now, you see, what pratyaya is that?
Ekal Prachaya.
Ekal pratyaya.
It is Sarvanavasthana pratyaya, right?
Sarvanamastha.
Does it now Patitavati is it Ugitanta?
No, it is not.
It is not a Ugitanta anymore because Ugit Anta, when I say it is Anta ending. Here it is
Yeah.
no more Ugitanta, it is Ikaranta now.
Ika. Yeah.
Therefore, no question of Numagama coming or Upada Dirgatum happening.
Hmm.
Understand?
Yes.
Like Pullinga here, it will not happen. Patitavati plus Su, you will have Patitavati only. Su goes away. In fact, Su also goes away by the same rule only. That
Sanyoganta
Ekal,
Sanyota.
not Triangle. Why is Sanyoga here? There is no Sanyoga.
Oh yeah, Ekal Prachaya. 6 and
Ekal
6.
Pratyaya following the Srilinga Pratyaya, that Sakara goes away. The same rule. Al Nyabhyaha, the long one. Anyway, don't worry about that now. We'll talk about that later. Okay, because again, a lot of information is there. Patitavati you get. So goes away, that much you know. Like Nadi Shabda, you know, take like Nadi Shabda. But what I want to say is, don't think Numakama will come because it is not a Ugitanta. That is why I say just you decline like Nadi Shabda. Ikarantaha Patitavati Shabdaha Nadi Shabdavat. Yata Nadi Shabdaha Vartate Tadvateva Patitavati Api. It is not Ugitanta, it is Ikaranta. That is important. Only if it is Ugitanta, Numakama will come. Then Dirgatam, etc. can happen. Here it is not. Therefore, Patitavati. The same thing, how, etc. Patitavati, Patitavatyo, Patitavatyaha. So, since it is like Nadi Shabda, therefore I don't have to do this. Only one is enough. Pratama Bhakti Ekvacham, that itself is enough. Patitavati. Just to show you no Numakama and therefore no Pada Dirgatam will happen. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But Napumsakalinga, if you ask, again, I have to tell you more things. So that is, we'll reserve it for the later class because I think here it's a lot of information are there in this Shabda itself. So Napumsakalinga, you leave it out. Just there's a Shabda in the Shabda Manjari, Jagat Shabda, you decline like that. Only I will write the declension. Again, after some time, maybe after class or two, when we do some exercises, when we come across Napumsakalinga, that time I tell you how to decline that. Patitavat Napumsakalinge. Napumsakalinge, what will happen? Napumsakalinga, it is Patitavat, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam Patitavat, then it is Patitavati, then becomes Patita. This you can do.
Patyaha.
No. This Sarvanamasthana alone I will do. 1-3 alone of Napumsakalinga I can do because you can follow that. You see. Napumsakalinga, I think that also I have to tell you. No, I can tell you. You know it. Okay. Only one I will do. For Napumsakalinga, which is a Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya?
Just and just.
1,
Just
3
and
and 2.
Shas.
1,
3,
3
2,
and 2, 3.
1, 3 and 2, 3.
1, 3, 2, 3.
1, 3 and 2, 3. So Patitavat plus just. I'm doing only just. Okay, 1, 1. 1, 3.
Hmm.
So here there is no question of sambuddhi and all, therefore no problem. This is removed. So here Patitavat plus just. Please note,
As.
for just, content is as, just will be replaced by she for Sarvanama Sthanam. It's a rule. Just will be replaced by she. And she has got a sanya Sarvanama Sthanam. Okay. In fact, the Sarvanama Sthana sanya all started from she only. All started from she only. Anyway, that part I have not taught you because it's all too much into the sutra. You know this much just for Napumsakalinga, not only just and shas, which are called Sarvanasthana Pratyaya because of she, in fact, because of she. Just and shas are replaced by she, and she as the sanya Sarvanamasthana. Therefore, what will happen when Sarvanamasthana Pratyaya follows? Ugitanta Pradipadikam will get Numagama, and therefore it will become Patitavanta. Here it is not Sambuddhi. Sambuddhi is only for Su. Here it is not Su. So Patitavanta plus E will become Patitavanti. That's a form. So Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam of Napumsakaliga, it is Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti. More on this we will explore in the next class. Don't worry about this now. Only why I taught this Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam is because it is Sarvanamasthana. That is why I taught. Otherwise, I have not taught this also. Like Sri Lanka, I would have asked you to refer to the other Shabda, Jagat Shabda. So, Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti. Dvitiya Vibhakti also same. Patitavat, Patitavati, Patitavanti. From Tritiya onwards, it is
Same as Pullinga.
same as Pullinga. Patitavata, Patitavadbyam, Patitavadbhyaha. And Sambodhana also same. So therefore, Napumsakalinga also done. So all the three lingas we have seen. All the three lingas. Any doubt in this? Please ask.
Guruji, does it vary for all Shabda? Like once you told Phalam Shabda, Phalam, Phale, how it comes. So,
Palam is different. Akaranta Shabda, Ajanta Shabda. Here we are discussing only Halanta Shabda. So that is
and
different.
regarding Guruji. And regarding the Sarvadhatuka thing, so if it is Supratyaya, even if it is Shit, it is not considered to be any Ardhadhatuka or Sardhatuka.
Cannot be because you are adding that to your Pratipadika. How can the Pratyaya enjoy the Sanya?
Okay, so only if we say what is added, we can tell if it is Sarvadhatuka or
Based on
Ardhadhatuka.
the Prakriti only. Or
Hmm.
because you asked this question, I have to tell one thing. Later, the Sutra, as I told, we'll see. See, Ashtadhyayi, it has got 8 chapters, right? Third chapter, each chapter has got 4 sections. Therefore, 32 sections are there. Third chapter of the Ashtadhyayi, fourth chapter and fifth chapter. 3 chapters covers all the pratyas which are added to Prakriti. Okay, please, all of you can have a general understanding of what Ashtadhyayi is. Only this much. See, the whole language is about Prakriti and Pratyaya and the resulting things, whatever it is. Prakriti plus Pratyaya. Okay, so the Prakriti all discussed in first chapter and second chapter. Pratipadikam, Dhatu, etc. And Prakriti getting the Pratyayas discussed in third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter. And the impact of the Pratyaya and the Prakriti are discussed in sixth chapter, seventh chapter, eighth chapter. So it's over. Prakriti plus Pratyaya is equal to, based on the Pratyaya, it is a Subanta or Tinganta, or it's a Pratipadikam or whatever it may be, right? This is how the whole thing functions. Prakriti plus Pratyaya. You understand? So, Prakriti plus Pratyaya Prakriti plus pratyaya, you have
Padam.
not padam, something it comes padam or pratipadika or whatever it may be. Whatever the change which is done by pratyaya and the prakriti are discussed, or that will be there. So now we coming to chapters. First chapter and second chapter are they deal with prakriti. Third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter deal with pratyaya, and the resulting, whatever the result, that is that nothing but the impact of the pratyaya and the prakriti that are discussed in sixth chapter, seventh chapter, eighth chapter. Okay. So now third chapter, fourth chapter, fifth chapter discusses pratyaya, and among the three chapters, third chapter discusses the pratyayas which are added to dhatus. So the sarvadhatuka sanya, adadhatuka sanya are mentioned in the third chapter. Therefore, that sanya is limited only to the third chapter. The third chapter, these pratyayas are added to dhatus. Whereas in the fourth chapter and fifth chapter, they discuss the pratyayas which are added to pratipadikam. And the shit, this shas, etc., what you said now, they are in the fourth chapter. Can it be added to dhatus? No, because they don't enjoy that sanya. That's the answer.
And no
This is,
Angakarya also.
Angakarya,
So no.
Angakarya is common. Angakarya, what you mean by Angakarya is Gunangakarya, Vriddhi Angakarya, that will not happen. But something can happen that are discussed in sixth chapter, seventh chapter, eighth chapter.
Okay.
Because your question is like that, I cannot give a short answer. I have to tell all these things, the background, and then explain. Or without background, if you want to say, maybe I will give you an answer that will be a temporary answer, not a
Okay.
permanent
Got
answer.
Mhm.
If you say that your question was the Shasprataya, what did you ask?
Without so all the supratyas cannot be sarvadhatukam or ardhadhatukam, or without saying to what
You
it is
can say
added.
yes, Supratyas are not Sarvadhatukam. I can say yes. Why? The reason is they are in the fourth chapter. Simple.
And
If the pratyaya is in the third chapter, then it is added to dhatu, and therefore it can enjoy the sanya sarvadhatukam or adadhatukam. Whereas the pratyayas which are in the other chapters, fourth chapter, fifth chapter, they don't enjoy the sanya. They don't enjoy sanya because they are added to pratipadikam, not to dhatus. That's the reason. Okay. If you find this answer is too difficult to know, then you can take supratyayas do not enjoy that sanya. Yes. Do not enjoy sarvadhatuka sanya, adadhatuka sanya. They are limited only to the dhatus.
Okay.
In fact, that is the reason. They are limited only to the dhatus. That is what I said in the beginning also. The sanya is limited only to the dhatus, not to the pratipadikam. We cannot extend that to the pratipadikam. If we extend, then it becomes a problem. It becomes even from the Ashtadhyayi standpoint also, it becomes a problem. It cannot be. The division of the chapters in the Ashtadhyayi is so clear, so distinct. The pratyayas are grouped into the pratyayas added to dhatus, pratyayas added to pratipadikam. It is divided like that. Therefore, the Angakarya can happen. There may be some overlapping of the Angakaryas. Angakarya are different Angakaryas. But the distinction of the pratyayas are given. That is why the pratyaya section is 3, 4, 5. Angakarya is 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8 means 6th chapter, 7th chapter, 8th chapter. Okay, this is how maybe in another class, some other class, arrangement of the Ashtadhyayi I will explain how this Ashtadhyayi is. Because I use the word the chapter, third chapter, fourth chapter. You know only 8th chapter. Tripadi only you know. Because in the Sandhi chart, it is the sequential application of the sutras in the 8th chapter, Tripadi. But what about other chapters? Just a general view I'll give so that when I refer to the chapter, you understand what it is. Okay. Anyway, I think this much enough is a discussion for this class. If you have any doubts, please ask. And about this Mapum Sakalinga, we'll discuss in some other class. The context will come. Even in the Pravesha class itself, the context is there. Napumsakalinga, that time you will see. Any doubts here, please ask. Yes. Hello. Any doubts? Anybody
No,
has? Yeah?
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji.
No, Guruji.
Okay. Is the information too much?
Not really, but
Okay. It takes some
we'll have
time.
to
See,
take slowly.
always it is like this. The Prathama Vritti, then Dvitiya Vritti, the Ashtadhyayi, even if you want to study Ashtadhyayi later, also, you cannot directly get into Ashtadhyayi and do all the sutras at the beginning. We do one round. One round is simple study of the Ashtadhyayi. Second round with the commentary. Third round with the further commentaries. Fourth round is with the Mahabhashya, etc. So different rounds one has to do. Then only you will have a grip on the grammar. One round we cannot do everything. Then one round means you have to deal with one sutra for a long time, and you will not get into other, and also difficult also. So always it is. That's why there's a book called Prathama Avritti. Prathama Avritti means first round, then second round, then third. In fact, for the advanced students, I have taken certain things many rounds again and again because every time we cover, no new things will come up. Have been discussed. So this is only a Prathama Vritti, not even Prathama Vritti, even before that, preliminary. You can take it as like that. Okay.
I hope we can reach that stage someday, Guruji.
After, it's a matter of time, it will come. But I'm giving you the base now. If you, and
Yes, Guruji.
your interest also. You show interest, therefore, you follow, you understand. So with this small, without covering the sutra, certain things I say, but so that becomes helpful to remember the Shabda, to derive the Shabda also. So now Patitavat, I hope the Shabda will be easy. Upada Dirgatvam, and Numagama Upada Dirgatvam. Keep that in mind, you can do the declension. Same way for Napumsakalinga also. That we will see. Napumsakalinga, in fact, it is easy. But I have to tell some information with regard to that, that we'll see. Next class, I will connect how she is Sranamastanam. In fact, that is the starting point. So we'll discuss. We'll discuss that in the this class or after that. Okay, we'll stop
Guruji,
here.
today
Yes.
we didn't mention any rule number for Nummagama and
You want the
Nopada
rule?
Dirgatvam.
You want the rule
Did
for
we-
that?
No, just I'm asking. Generally, you mentioned some numbers.
Okay. This Nummagama is 7170. Ugitajam Sarvanamastane Num Adhatoho. That is a rule. 7170. And Nopadayaha Dirgatvam is, this is for At. Therefore, this is Atvasantasya Chadhatoho 6414.
6414.
Atvasantasya Chadhatoho Ugitajam Sarvanamastanenum Adhatoho. Okay, right. Anyway, we will come back to this. Whatever I wrote, this is a meaning of the sutra, simple meaning. This is, that's why I said it is preliminary to Prathama Vritti. Then when we get into the later, when we get into the stage where we can analyze the sutra, understand the sutra, then we'll see what is that in detail. You'll be able to understand better. Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. See, if you don't understand certain technical things, please leave it. Don't feel so burdened with that now. Understand only this much. Nummagama Nupada Dirgatvam, that will do. All other are extra information. I don't expect you to remember. If it is interesting, at least note it down. Later, when time comes, you already are being exposed to this. Only that's a benefit. Okay. Some samskara is given now. So later it will become easy. That is the idea.
Hmm.
Okay. Stop it. Dhanyawada.
Okay.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ.
Dhanyawada.
Guruji, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please.
Yeah, I know this is not about the content basically, but I will. I have to send you money, Guruji. I told my husband last week, but
So-
he'll do. I mean,